ang yung PNP at other security forces, pag may mga ganito talaga, kinakancel yung leave. So all are on duty. Walang leave, walang paalam, life threatening nang. The full force, yung heightened alert, minamaximize natin at kino-complement yung sa NHQ o National Headquarters sa PNP, yung order na gano'n. So, when it comes, sabi ko nga, kanina umaga pa at kahapon, kasama sa deployment na yung pamilya nyo. Kasi pag pumunta kayo doon sa tourist destination, pwede nyo nang isama yan, visibility. Magsar lang kayo, that's part of maximizing personnel services. Yung human resources na PNP na kailangan sa kalsada at sa tourist destination. Kapag magbibiyahe kayo, mag-patrol shirts kayo, maggagas kayo, lalabas kayo, that's part of maximizing personnel and complementing the heightened security alert issued. Usual. So, ito ay usual ng ginagawa ng security forces. Sabi nga, pag holidays, wala tayong holiday. Tayo ang nasa kalsada, nasa bundok, kung saan pa man yan, to ensure yung safety and security ng ating tourists within Ilocos Norte.
Lupit naman parang deployment natin, pati pamilya was mobilas. Yes sir, how about the PDRMO? Will it also follow that we are under full alert within the province, most especially anong coastal areas po natin?
Yes, Sir Lando. That's why we issued an advisory to our counterparts at the city and municipal level. May kanya-kanya namang emergency operations center ang mga LGUs natin. Together with the PNP, the BFP, the PCG, the Marines and the Army, and all other volunteer groups. Nandun naman lahat sila to receive report and